Hello bakers, and welcome back to the second episode in our American Cereal Club mini-series. If you missed last week's recipe where we made these incredible golden crisp caramel squares, check out the links below in the description to catch up. But this week, I've got something new for you. We're continuing our journey of cereal-inspired treats by taking a twist on the British summer classic Eton Mess. Strawberries, meringue, cream and cereal makes these Marshmallow Mateys Eton Messes hard to resist. To start, you need to wash and dry 200 grams of strawberries and then cut into slices. In a separate bowl, crush 3 to 4 meringue nests and set aside. You'll also want to measure out 80 grams of your Marshmallow Mateys cereal. In a large bowl, pour in 300 milliliters of double cream and add in 1 tablespoon of icing sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk your cream to soft peaks and then add in your strawberries, meringue and Marshmallow Mateys. Fold the Eton Mess together until well combined and then spoon into your serving glasses. Finish with some more strawberries and cereal on top and garnish with a whole strawberry on the rim of your glass. And you're done! These Marshmallow Mateys Eton Messes are the perfect summer cereal treat for morning, afternoon or night. Thank you so much for tuning in to another American Cereal Club recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. That's all for now, but I'll see you next time.